Welcome to this video. In our previous video, we have created this particular agent to get the weather information using the action. Now in this video, we will take it one step forward, not only with the action, but we will also include knowledge to our agent. So end of the day, what I want to do is that if you're looking for a travel ideas, then this particular agent should be able to help you with the travel information, like local information specific for city that you are looking for, as well as the current weather information. To do so, I added here knowledge on the weather API. So knowledge, it's what will give you all of this information with respect to the city, and weather action will give us the weather information. So now let's see how do we do it. So before we begin with, we need to create a AI search. Go to the AI Foundry, go to the AI search and click on create. Populate the information. You will have your AI search created. Make sure like you are using a free version if you're just doing it for a demo purposes or a testing purposes. Then once it is created, go to your AI Foundry Studio, from where like you can associate your search service that just you created. Click on this new connection, click on AI search, and it should get added. Now that particular service, it's associated with your hub. Once it is done, then you can go to the project under the data and indexes section. You can click on a new data. You can upload a files here. Make sure like you have some files and click on finish. For instance, I have some of these files here, like some of the location specific information. It's present in this file. So like these are all the files that I have specific to the place. Like I have a couple of files under the cities. So if I just go here, you should be able to see like whatever the file that I have. So I have, right? Then you need to go to the indexes, click on new index, click on here, choose data in AI Foundry. Then it will show you all the files that you have. Click on the folder or a file that you created. In my case, it's a folder because I have more than a file, but if you have only a single file, it will be a file. Whatever is that, just choose that. Next, choose your search application, and you can leave it as it is, or you can give it a name that you wanted to have it. Then rest of the things you can just keep it as it is. Just click on create index. It is going to create a job like this. So it is going to create a job to convert your document into a vector using the AI search. It will take a moment. If you click on the job details, it will show you like how far it's done. Typically it takes anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes to complete this process. Then once it is done, then you can go to the search, and at the very top you have a search explorer. Click on that and try to look up something. Like in this case, I was just looking for a Tokyo or Paris or whatever is that. If it returns some of the results, you're good to go. You see here like some of these information, it's populated here, like this is coming from a specific PDF. That's what we are interested in, right? So in this case, let's assume that if you're just checking for London, it should pull the information from London PDF. Yes, it does, right? So what is going to happen is that when a user try to get the information specific to a city, then the AI search will be used to pull up the relevant content, and it will be passed to the model. Now let's move forward. I have created a new agent. It's as simple as that. Just click on this new agent. Likewise, I created a new agent here. I gave it a name, and then like this is the instruction that I have for the agent. So now if you see here, it says that hey, like you are a travel agent. It's no longer a weather report agent. It's a travel agent, and all those information, like you need to gather this information, and with the weather information, all those you can provide, as well as you can attach the knowledge piece. It's very straightforward. Just click on this add button here, which is already added in my case. Otherwise you will see add a AI search. Okay, let me remove this. Let me add it back. So I can choose it here. From here I can choose the index that I have. So here, like, you can use a simple or a semantic. I will go with a semantic. Just connected. Now it is connected. Like, now I have both my action and the knowledge associated with my agent. Now I can just go to the play area and I can look for the information. So for instance, what is the weather in Paris, and what can I do there? It is going to tell me the weather information as well as things to do in Paris. Likewise, you can look for any other cities that you are interested in. Demonstrated here, we created an agent that has both the knowledge and the weather like the action. Using really know like what exactly happened behind the scenes, you can click on this run view run info. So if you see here, like our user has sent a message and this is the output, right? So how does this output got created? So if you see here, there is a call made, tool call, and if you just see here, this is making a call to the weather API, and it is receiving this information. Then it appends that information along with the the generative AI generated content, and everything it's put together. So we demonstrated how do we create a agent with knowledge and action. That's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching.